Hello everyone, I am Navkiran and I welcome you all to my channel Navkiran's Nursing Classes. Friends, today's video is going to be very important for internationally educated nurses who are already in Canada being enrolled in the bridging courses for internationally educated nurses, and they are doing these bridging courses in order to get comparable report from NNAS. They will get comparable report from NNAS since they are doing nursing courses, but most of the time many student nurses will do a very silly mistake, because of which their whole career will take a back seat for few years. You know how this happens? The answer lies in NNAS process. Yes. So we will discuss today in this video when is the best time for student nurses to start NNAS in order to get a comparable report. But before we start today's video, I request you all kindly subscribe my channel, and that's Navkiran's Nursing Classes. By subscribing, you will get notifications about my upcoming videos. So let us start today's video. So friends, this video is about those nurses who are already in Canada on study visa and they are doing bridging courses for internationally educated nurses, the courses which lead to direct RN eligibility from NNAS. So basically, what is a mistake that the student nurses would conduct? Let us make this thing make you understand this thing by taking two examples. Let us suppose there is a student A. Student A is doing a course that's called as palliative care. Now palliative care is a bridging course which leads to the comparable report from NNAS. Now the student who is doing palliative care, she just started her NNAS as soon as she get enrolled for palliative care. She did not wait for her course to be completed. Let me tell you one thing, very important thing in fact. The BSc nursing which is being done from India is not equivalent to BSc nursing in Canada. I have said this thing for many times in my previous videos also. That is the reason why NNAS finds some competency gaps between your Indian BSc nursing and Canadian BSc nursing. So the regulatory authority usually will give you eligibility for LPN and not for RN. Now in this case, the student nurse did not wait her course to be completed and she just applied for RN through NNAS. And then what happens? For NNAS, your qualification is only BSc nursing from Canada, because you cannot show your course to NNAS before you get transcript to it, and you cannot get a transcript without completing this course, right? So, in this case, she will get a not comparable report. Now, let us talk about student B. Student B is also doing palliative care. She waited till she completed her palliative care. She got her transcript for palliative care. Then she started her NNAS process. She applied for RN. Now NNAS knows that she is a BSc nursing from Canada, from India, and now she has completed her palliative care from Canada as well. That means the gaps which were there in Indian BSc nursing has been covered by this palliative care course, and now she will get a comparable report. Now this is a win-win situation for the student B, whereas student A will just sit and think what she has done wrong. The only mistake she had conducted is she did not wait for her course to be completed. So in the nutshell, at the end of this video, I just want to say NNAS is not something to start immediately, because there is a big myth among people that you cannot get your report in 2 years or so. It's not like that, friends. We are doing NNAS professionally, and if you want to start your NNAS through us, the biggest advantage that you can get is that you can get your report within 3 months. So contact us today, start your NNAS, but please with the proper guidance. Do not rush to start your NNAS if you are doing a nursing course in Canada. I hope this video is going to be very, very helpful for you. So if you like this video, kindly share this video with the student nurses in Canada. And I'll see you all in the next video with again a very useful information for all the internationally educated nurses. Till then, take care. Bye.